Alright, this is going to be a short video going over how to brush your dog's teeth. We're using a gauze square instead of a toothbrush today, and it's very important that you use a toothpaste that's made for pets, not one that is made for people, because our toothpaste is designed for us to spit out, and our dogs and cats don't usually listen to that. So we're going to brush Izzy's teeth. She has a really cute little misaligned jaw with an overbite, so it's really important that we take good care of her teeth because they're not lined up properly to take care of them themselves. So I'm going to have her sit. Sit down. Good girl. Good girl. We're going to start with these guys in the front and then work our way back to the side. Now, the brushing action helps, but most important is getting that toothpaste in contact with the teeth, because most pet toothpastes are enzymatic, meaning they work through contact time, not through mechanical brushing like ours. But a little bit of brushing still gets everything where it should be. Good girl.
No,
Good job. Good girl. See, that was it. Ah. Okay, so it's important not to feed your pet or give them water shortly after you brush their teeth, just so that that toothpaste doesn't get rinsed away. But trying to do this every day, or at a minimum 3 times a week, can really help your pet's teeth stay healthy and avoid needing extractions and that kind of thing later on in life.